Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you how you can change the Windows loading logo to your own logo, so when your PC starts you see your own logo. And let's get started to this tutorial. Let's go. So first of all, you have that zip file. I put the link into the description. You take that one and put it onto the desktop. Open it, and you see there's one picture. It's that one. You don't want that, you want your own. So you go on setup. Yes. Press R to remove all things that I did before, so that logo you've seen before. So it's removed all. Press any key you want, and now you change the picture in that one. So go to Paint, open it, choose your own logo from your PC. For example, that's mine. Then you save it as BMP picture, and you go to desktop and to the folder you have already on your desktop. It's hack BGRT. Open it and save it as splash BMP. Save. Yes. Now you go again here and go to setup. Yes. Now you go to I install upgrade repair. Close that one. Now you see that is the logo you did. Close that, and if you now restart, you will have your logo as restart logo. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and if it worked, leave a comment, leave a like. If something doesn't work, just tell me in the comments, and we will see us in the next videos. See you, bye.